What if you could turn your wildest ideas into reality with the click of a button? Imagine creating intricate models, useful prototypes, or even artistic pieces, all from the comfort of your home or workspace. Well, with the latest 3D printers, this dream is closer to reality than ever before. Today, we're diving into 5 innovative 3D printers that are redefining what's possible, bringing precision, speed, and ease of use right to your fingertips. So let's explore how these incredible machines can elevate your creative projects to new heights. Number 5. Creality K1. Rounding off our list is the Creality Cone, a printer that epitomizes versatility and innovation. With a large build volume and high-resolution printing capabilities, the K1 is a fantastic choice for those who demand both quality and flexibility. Whether you're into prototyping, creating functional parts, or exploring artistic designs, the K1 provides the space and detail to bring your ideas to fruition. The Creality K1 is built with a sturdy frame for stability, which, along with its silent stepper motor drivers, ensures a smooth and quiet printing experience. The intuitive touchscreen interface makes navigation a breeze, while the auto bed leveling feature guarantees optimal first-layer adhesion, minimizing the need for manual adjustments and reducing print failures. Number 4. Bamboo Lab A1 Mini. Small but mighty, the Bamboo Lab A1 Mini is perfect for those who need a compact 3D printer that doesn't compromise on quality. This printer fits neatly into tight spaces, making it ideal for small workshops, studios, or even home offices. Despite its small footprint, the A1 Mini delivers exceptional print quality, allowing you to create detailed models, intricate prototypes, and functional parts with ease. One of the highlights of the A1 Mini is its quiet operation, perfect for users who value a peaceful working environment. It's also equipped with an auto bed leveling feature, which eliminates the frustration of manual adjustments, ensuring consistent and reliable prints every time. The user-friendly interface makes setup and navigation straightforward, even for those new to 3D printing. Number 3. Creality Ender 3 V3 SE. Next up, we have the Creality Ender 3 V3 SE, a perfect blend of affordability and performance. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced enthusiast, this 3D printer offers a robust and user-friendly experience. Its large build volume lets you tackle a wide variety of projects, while its sturdy V-slot frame ensures stability and precision. One standout feature of the Ender 3 V3 SE is its silent stepper motor drivers. Imagine working late into the night on your next big project without disturbing anyone. Quiet and efficient, this printer allows you to focus on your work without the distraction of noise. It also includes a resume printing function that saves your progress in the event of a power outage, so you never have to start over from scratch. Number 2. Anycubic Photon M5S. If speed and precision are your top priorities, then the Anycubic Photon M5S should catch your attention. This resin printer is not just fast, it's blazingly fast. With a printing speed of up to 105 m/h, it's 3 times quicker than many standard 3D printers. Imagine printing a detailed 3.5-inch model in just about an hour. That's the kind of efficiency that turns creative visions into tangible realities in no time. But speed is just part of the story. The M5S boasts a groundbreaking feature, auto bed leveling. For those who have struggled with traditional resin printers, often requiring meticulous manual calibration, this feature is a game changer. It uses advanced sensors to automatically adjust and ensure a perfectly level print surface, making high-quality prints almost effortless. Paired with Anycubic's new ultra-thin, high-speed resin, the M5S takes performance to the next level. Its innovative AFC release film requires less force for each print layer, enhancing both speed and accuracy. The printer's 12K resolution LCD screen ensures that even the tiniest details are captured, achieving an impressive 19-micron accuracy on the x-axis. Number 1. Sovol SV07. Let's start with a powerhouse in the world of 3D printing, the Sovol SV07. This machine is designed not just for hobbyists, but also for professionals who crave precision and reliability. What sets the Sovol SV07 apart is its impressive build volume. Imagine the ability to print large, complex designs without compromising detail. Whether you're crafting a functional prototype, experimenting with artistic concepts, or creating custom parts, the Sovol SV07's large build area provides the space you need to bring your ideas to life. What's more, the Sovol SV07 uses direct drive extrusion technology. This might sound technical, but it means that it offers exceptional control over filament flow, ensuring smoother and more accurate prints, even when using flexible materials. Say goodbye to inconsistent prints and hello to professional-grade output. And let's talk convenience. The SV7 features an auto-leveling bed, which means no more manual tweaking to ensure your print starts perfectly.